to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming this fall inspired makeup tutorial. This look is honestly one of my favorite looks I've ever done. I just love the color combo. I'm just so excited to be showing you guys this makeup tutorial, and also if you guys do decide to recreate my look, please tag me on your photos and make sure your Instagram or your Twitter account, whatever it is not private, so I'm able to like and comment. I know I've been slacking and there's really no excuse for it, but I was struggling with my anxiety and my anxiety was just causing me stress. I'm really sorry about that, but I just had to handle my situation and make sure that I'm good and healthy. So now I am back and I'm excited to be filming, and I just feel like I'm in a really good space, and I just have to thank God for that because I've been praying. So yeah guys, enough of me ranting. If you guys are interested in my makeup look, then please keep on watching. So for moisturizer lately, I've been using the Glossier priming moisturizer. I've been using this as a moisturizer and as a primer as well. I really love how moisturizing it is on my face. This one doesn't make me oily, so I really like that. I just got out of the shower, so my skin was like hella dry and it needed like moisture. Okay, so I'm gonna be using that as my primer, like I said, but since this does not minimize my pores, I will be using my Benefit Professional Primer to minimize my pores that are in this area right here. I always like to moisturize my lips while I'm doing my makeup because I like to prep it for like a liquid lipstick or like a matte lipstick that I'm gonna be using that day. So Glossier did send me a like lip balm, and guys, look, it's already almost done. I got this about a week ago or a week and a half ago, and I've been obsessed with this. I love how moisturizing it is on my lips, and also it smells like coconuts. You guys know, like everything, well, not everything, but most of the things that I use smells like coconuts, and I love coconuts. So when I put it on, it does last longer than my other like lip balms that I use, like the Carmex or Blistex or you know, any other lip balms that I use. Oh my god, it just feels so good on my lips. For today's look, I'm going to start off by doing my eyebrows because I am going to be using some glitter, and I haven't used glitter in such a long time. For my eyebrows today, I'm using the Benefit Cabrow. Using the Cabrow gel in number 5. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer because I love this as a eyeshadow primer. Okay, so I'm just going to be dragging this down all the way to my eyelid, and then I'm going to be blending it out using my Morphe Y16 brush. This might look really crazy right now because it is lighter than my skin tone right now. Now that I have my eyes primed, I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelid so my concealer doesn't crease. To keep my eyebrows in place, I'm using the Glossier Clear Brow Gel, which looks like this. It's so cute. I like to use this also when I don't wear any makeup. I like to brush this on my eyebrows just to make them look more like clean. For today's fall makeup tutorial, I wanted to use a affordable eyeshadow palette so you guys can create this look as well. So I'm using the Morphe 350 palette, and I know I have some glitter there because I did spill some of my glitter that I'm going to be using today on this palette. It was such a mess, but I mean, it's whatever. It makes the palette look a little bit prettier. So I'm just going to be blending this into my crease. Okay, so now taking my R37 Morphe brush, I'm going to be applying this shade right here. Okay, so what I want is a little bit more of like a burgundy look, and right now it looks a little bit orange, and in that palette there's hardly any burgundy shades. So what I'm going to do is, to keep it still affordable, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be using this shade right here. It's almost like a burnt orange, and then I'm also going to be taking this shade right here. So I'm going to mix these two together. Okay, so now moving on, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer again to create my cut crease. I'm going to set my concealer using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Before I apply my glitter, I'm going to be applying some of the glitter glue by Violet Voss. So for glitter today, I'm using the glitter by BokeGlitters.com. This glitter is in Golden Tiara. I'm not sure if they still have this on their website. I know their website did change a little bit. I did get this glitter for $1 a really long time ago, so I'm not sure if they still have it, but if they do, I will list it down in the description. I really want to deepen up my crease a little bit more, so I'm going to be applying this shade right here. Okay, I'm going to be applying my NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Okay, so once I have my eyeshadow done, I'm going to be applying my lashes, and for lashes today, I'm going to be using my Cocoa lashes in Queen Bee. They look very wispy and very dramatic, which I love. I just reapplied my Glossier Moisturizing Primer because I didn't put two and two together that I was going to wipe off my face after applying glitter, you know. For foundation today, I'm actually using two foundations. I did use this foundation in my last video, which was my Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Foundation in Coca, which is dark warm. And then I'm going to be mixing in my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in 108, which is Caramel Beige. And then to blend it out, I'm using my... Sigma Kabuki brush in F83. I just love how this brush blends out my foundation. For concealer today, I'm going to be using my Born This Way concealer in medium. And just for a little bit of a highlight, I'm just going to apply my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Right? Yes. Fit Me concealer in Sand. And to blend out my concealer, I'm going to be using my Sigma Kabuki brush in F87. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. And to apply it, I'm using my Morphe M438 brush. I'm using my Morphe E3 brush to apply my L'Oreal Infallible Setting Powder. To bronze up my face, I'm using the NYC bronzer in Sunny. This brush that I'm using, this is the Morphe M527 brush. I love this brush at the moment for bronzer. I usually like to switch it up all the time. I either use this brush or I like to use a regular angled bronzer brush. I think I got this at Bed Bath & Beyond for like $3. And I also like to use this brush as well. This is the Morphe M530 brush. So I like to switch it up sometimes. It just depends on my mood. For blush, I'm using my Tarte Color Wheel, of course. And the reason why I use this so much is because I personally don't ever like buy single blushes. I am not that much of a big fan of blushes. But since I did get this for Christmas, so I've been using this for a while now, and why wouldn't I, honestly, because it literally has like every blush shade that I would ever need. So what I do is I mix Mod and Deco and I get like the perfect blush color. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my bottom lash line. Just gonna apply this shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette and then the shade next to it. And then to deepen up my outer corner, I'm going to use this shade. And to apply it, I'm using my Sigma Blending E36 brush. So I just applied the Sigma Nightlife eyeliner pencil in Eclipse in my waterline. Now for lips, I definitely wanted to do something bold, so I'm going to be taking my Kat Von D liquid lipstick. I actually got this for my birthday gift, I think, at Sephora, or maybe with my points. I'm not sure when, but I definitely got it at Sephora. So to line my lips, I'm using the NYX lip liner in brown. I don't even know if I said the shade. This is called Vampira. Okay, so it didn't go as dark as I wanted it to, so I'm gonna add another coat. But every time I keep applying, it like loses its like shade in certain areas. So you guys see that? Look, I just put my lips together and look, it just took out a chunk of the shade on the lips. So I definitely don't like this liquid lipstick. Oh, my liquid lipstick just dried up and it's super streaky. I really don't like that liquid lipstick, so I'm never gonna use that again. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of my Ciate London Liquid Velvet in Voodoo. Yeah, I should have definitely just applied this one. I'm going to be applying some highlighter, and for highlighter today, I'm using the Dose of Colors collaboration with Desi and Katie. This is in the shade Fuego. Guys, I've been using this highlighter every single day. I've never used this highlighter on my channel, so I'm excited to show you guys the highlighter on my skin. Ooh, yes. Do you guys see that? Like, oh, it's just amazing. This highlighter is just so freaking good.